In a world dominated by pills and prescriptions, it's worth exploring the surprising efficacy of natural remedies. Did you know that honey can be a powerful ally in soothing a sore throat? Its natural anti-inflammatory properties make it more than just a sweet treat. Ginger, another household staple, isn't just for flavor. Its compounds can alleviate nausea and aid digestion. Meanwhile, garlic, often praised for its immune-boosting capabilities, has been used for centuries to fight infections. And for those restless nights, consider a cup of chamomile tea. Its calming effects have been known to ease anxiety and promote sleep. These remedies remind us that nature often holds the answers to our ailments. So next time, before reaching for medicine, remember, sometimes the best cures come from nature itself.